What's up, YouTube? It's Jbo435i back again, and we have an unboxing. So most of y'all may know from Instagram what this package is right here. But if you don't know, this is actually from Spool Performance. This is a high pressure fuel pump that they offer. That actually, they pretty much is brand new. They just came out with it, and they've had I guess the one for the B58. Upgraded one for the B58, and now they're just finished up with the one for the N55. They actually have two versions. This is the FX150, and they have the FX180. Let's see. Let's get opening this thing, man. I want to see how this thing look. So yeah, the FX150 on their website, it actually shows that it flows 50% more than the stock pump. That just flew out of there. So we got that in the stock pump. So yeah, that's pretty much that makes it able to, you're able to run 100% E85 in there, and it's 100%. These lines and everything are 100% E85 compatible, and looks like everything is pretty much just plug and play, so it makes it real simple. Oh yeah. So this is the line that goes back to your stock line, I believe, from the fuel pump down to the fuel line. Let's see. Not sure what this is. We're gonna find out though. Okay, this must be the mounting bracket for it. You need to pretty much extend the harness. It actually came with a fuel filter. Oh yeah, pretty clean, pretty clean. We're gonna keep that wrapped up, and I'm guessing this is the big boy. Let's see. I'm ghetto rigging it right now. This is my phone tied to my head because I wanted to give you guys like a POV experience for opening this package here. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. Some people say they don't like the red because they want it to look kind of stockish, not stockish, but like kind of sleeperish. And you look in your engine bay, you might see this big red thing sticking in the bottom there. So, but this thing is heavy, got some little weight on it. Yeah. So if y'all don't know right now, I'm pretty much full bolt on. I have the pure inlet pipe. I have the GFB diverter valve, catless down pipe, K&N air filter. I have the charge pipes on the boost pipe and the charge pipe, and I'm tuned with JB4. So the tune I might have to go with, I might actually have to do like a back end flash on it from MHD, and yeah, so we can basically run this, because I know most of the times when you replace these, you have to upgrade pretty much make it compatible with the tune, otherwise it won't start. So yeah, so we're gonna get that situated first, and then we're gonna get this baby tuned, and I might go with some custom tune or whatever, send some logs over to the guys over at JB4, see what they can improve on this, because I'm trying to max out that stock turbo, to compete with some of the guys that's in the Tampa Clearwater area. So yeah, y'all gonna see me out there. Y'all just wait on it. I know some of y'all got port injection, but I heard those a little bit tougher to tune. So yeah, this high pressure fuel pump is gonna give it more of a stockish feel. So you don't have any type of extra injectors controlled by like a separate type of ECU unit. The port injection has its downfall. That's why I wanted to go with something like this. So yeah, I'm excited. So yeah, let me set it up to get y'all some little cinematic close-up shots of this, and yeah, y'all If y'all actually, oh yeah, if y'all actually wanted to save on this, y'all wanted to save a little money on this, they actually dropped me with a discount code. It's JBO435. JBO435, and you get a little discount on checkout on anything on the website. So it doesn't have to be, you know, the high pressure fuel pump. It can be anything on there. So I know they have stuff for the B58s, the N55s. So yeah, y'all go take a look at the website and y'all use that discount. Y'all support your boy. Yeah. Your first unboxing. Yeah. Oh yeah. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Hopefully it's installing this baby. But yeah. Thank you for watching. Y'all stay tuned. Peace.
Future be trapping.